Once upon a time, there was a kind and gentle girl named Cinderella. She lived with her stepmother and two stepsisters. They were not kind. They made Cinderella do all the housework. She cooked, cleaned, washed clothes, and took care of everything. But Cinderella never complained. She always smiled and stayed hopeful. Every morning, Cinderella woke up early. She cleaned the floors, made breakfast, and fed the animals. Her stepsisters slept late and shouted at her. "Cinderella! Bring me tea. Cinderella! My dress needs cleaning." They never said thank you. One day, a royal messenger came to their house. He had big news. "There will be a royal ball at the palace," he said. "All young ladies are invited. The prince will choose his bride." Cinderella was very excited. "Can I go to the ball?" she asked. Her stepmother laughed. "You? Go to the ball? You have nothing to wear." Her stepsisters laughed too. "You can't dance with the prince. You are only a servant." Cinderella was sad, but she still helped her sisters get ready. She brushed their hair, helped them dress, and smiled. That evening, when they left for the ball, she sat alone and cried. Suddenly, a warm light filled the room. A kind old woman appeared. She was Cinderella's fairy godmother. "Don't cry, dear," she said. "You will go to the ball." She waved her magic wand. Poof! Cinderella's old dress turned into a beautiful gown. Her shoes became shining glass slippers. A pumpkin became a golden carriage. Mice became horses. "Remember," said the fairy godmother, "you must return before midnight. After midnight, the magic will end." Cinderella went to the ball. Everyone looked at her. She was so beautiful. The prince saw her and smiled. "Would you like to dance?" he asked. They danced all evening. The prince didn't look at anyone else. He only wanted to be with Cinderella. She was kind, gentle, and graceful. Then the clock struck midnight. Dong! Dong! "Oh no," cried Cinderella. She ran out of the palace. She lost one glass slipper on the stairs, but she didn't stop. The next day, the prince searched for the mysterious girl. He had the glass slipper. "I will marry the girl who fits this shoe," he said. He went to every house. Many girls tried the shoe, but it didn't fit. Finally, he came to Cinderella's house. Her stepsisters tried first. Their feet were too big. "Can I try?" Cinderella asked. Her stepmother said, "No. She is just a servant." But the prince said, "Every girl must try." Cinderella sat down and put on the shoe. It fit perfectly. The prince smiled. "It's you. Will you marry me?" Cinderella said yes. She forgave her stepmother and stepsisters. She moved to the palace and lived happily ever after.